mga ka-e-bike! Welcome po sa main branch ng e-bike and e-car superstore here in Pulilan. We are in front of SM Pulilan parking area. We offer best brand of e-bikes all under in one roof.
Gusto niyo ba ng e-bike na may solar with more freebies? Well, dito lang yan available sa e-bike and e-car superstore. Let me introduce to you our Freedom K6 with solar na talaga namang tinatangkilik ng mga buyers namin. One of the most fast-moving unit dahil sa unique specs nito. Nasa gilid ang steering wheel at hindi hassle para sa ating driver and passenger with keyless and anti-theft alarm. On the left side, makikita dito ang 3-level speed which is the high, medium, and low, pati na rin ang high and low beam. May reverse and drive din and may Bluetooth speaker pa. Ang pinaka-unique specs is the reverse camera na makikita sa ating digital panel board kung saan kasamang makikita ang battery and speed nito. As you can see, kahit sa likod, napakaganda ng forma. Another factor na magpaganda rin dito is the comfortability of our passenger sa mas pinawider na backseat and driver seat. For our passenger safety naman, naka-disc brake ang unit na ito, may lift spring suspension at may kasama ng bumper. With seatbelt na rin po ito for the safety of our passengers. Meron na rin pong large compartment, luggage rack para sa ating mga small things at may extra tire pa. May automatic wiper po ito at may crown light with signal light. And of course, ang solar na 450 watts. Ang motor power po nito ay 1,800 watts at ang battery naman ay 60 volts 25 amperes but upgradable ang battery nito into 60 volts 38 amperes. Ang top speed nito ay 38 km per hour at may range na 55 to 60 km with a load capacity of 300 kg. For only 15,000 pesos, pwede ka nang magkaroon ng Freedom K6 with solar, available in cash and installment. Come and visit us now mga ka-e-bike!